All right, y'all. Welcome back to the shop. This is our introduction to week 7. Just to keep with consistency, do a quick review as to last week, just so you know if there's anything you need to make up. Here we go. So Monday we did our check-in intro. You had an opportunity to share with me a little bit about how your weekend went. We did the weekly chat page. I think as of right now, I think 2 people behind, but I've been trying to reply to everybody. Please take a look at that. Continue the chat, okay? It doesn't need to be just, hey, I did it and I'm done. Like, I really want some conversations. It's an avenue to allow you that opportunity to communicate with each one another, keep in touch with me. Just another avenue so we can stay together through this. Tuesday, we did our virtual class meeting. We talked about our challenge sharing. So this week, we decided that we were going to do our paper airplane challenge. So we introduced that, answered some questions, kind of did some troubleshooting, talked about how we were going to do that moving forward and what it would look like. Wednesday was your day to begin working on your prototypes to solve the challenge and to create your presentation, your documentation that would show that you worked through the challenge. Thursday, so we had originally decided that we were going to do our presentations on Thursday. When we talked on Tuesday, most of you thought that Wednesday would be plenty enough time to both do the challenge and create your presentation. However, on Thursday, when we got together, many of you shared that you need a little bit more time. So we're going to take a little bit more time so that you can really do your diligence and get those presentations to where you want them to be. Take some time, do some troubleshooting and redesign, and that's okay. So we'll talk about them a little bit more this week. Friday is your catch-up time. You have your timesheet just to kind of highlight how your week went for you and share a little bit. Again, just another reminder, your Skyward account is active. That's how we're using to check off on what parts of remote learning you have completed. If they're completed, they have a 1. If they're not, they remain blank. Okay, so this week, what we're doing, we did our review today. Tomorrow, we're going to do our virtual meeting. We're going to talk about or you're going to share some presentations. Again, because on Thursday, you shared that you need a little bit more time. So we're going to start with our presentations on Tuesday. Tomorrow, we're going to do some presentations, and then we're going to do our introduction to our next challenge. Now, if we have 15 people join and everybody needs to do their presentations and we get pushed back a little bit, we'll just modify as the week goes to fit what works for majority. But as of now, Wednesday, we'll introduce the airplane launcher challenge. So you'll create another mechanism to to get your plane started. And then on Thursday, again, we'll plan on presenting our projects. So if that's a problem, we'll discuss it on Tuesday, and we can modify if we need to. All right. And then, as of always, Friday will be your time to catch up, provide a little bit of feedback about how your week went, and we'll keep rolling on. Everybody take care of yourselves, keep in touch with each other, stay healthy both physically and mentally, and I will talk to you soon.